Hey guys, welcome to my channel Ritika's World. I'm Ritika. Today I'm going to be painting a penguin on a rock. Now I'm going to show you some of my previous rock painting pictures. They are a minion, a ladybug, Elmer's glue, a gardening gnome, the word dream, a strawberry, an avocado, and a watermelon. So let's get into today's video. The materials that we're going to be using are paints. The colors of the paints that we need are orange, white, red, and black. We're also going to be using a pencil, a very thin paintbrush, and an oval-shaped rock. The rock should be nicely cleaned and dried. So now let's start the painting. We're done painting the penguin on the rock. If you like my video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!